Hey, if you're looking at getting a new inner tube for your mountain bike, I want to share a little bit here about this one here that you see. Now, this is actually good for a wheel size of 28 inch. So if you have a 28-inch wheel, this would be the one that you would want to do. Just double check all the dimensions down below, because that's not what I really want to focus on. I want to show you the quality of this, how it looks, and my thoughts on it. First thing you want to know is that you are getting a 4-pack here. You're not just going to get one, so you will have this to replace multiple times if needed. Another thing that I do like is that when you are trying to remove your tire from the rim so that you can put in the new inner tube, you do get 2 of these little tools here that makes it very easy. You can see it has this little lip that you can get underneath there, and that makes it so much more easy and convenient. All right, they come kind of folded up like this. This is a very high quality premium rubber. This opens up here. Here's the valve stem. Comes with the cap, so you don't have to worry about getting those separate. I like the brass that it has right here. All right, let's blow this up and show you what it looks like. See, it fills up very nice and easy. Feels very strong. So if you're looking for a nice replacement inner tube for your bike, check out the sizing. Make sure you get the right size. But this one looks like it's made of very good, high quality. It's not leaking at all. So these are going to work really great.